Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Today I'm taking you how to file KRA nil returns. Secondly, I'll be taking you how to generate your iTax compliance certificate. Ensure the taxman does not get you off guard. And for verification, maybe in case of a job or any other government body that needs you verify that you are tax compliant, there I'll be taking you how to generate iTax compliance certificate. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. Drop a comment. I'll be able to do it for you freely. So the very first step that you need to in filing the KRA returns, you need to come to KRA tax iTax portal. It is itax.kra.go.ke. Once we come there, we'll be able to get this platform. For you to log in into the KRA revenue iTax portal, you need two things. The first thing is KRA pin. The second thing is KRA pin password. Those are the two things that you'll be filling. KRA pin and KRA pin password, you'll fill it here. Then you need to bypass the security stamp, which ensures that you are not a robot. It says 51 minus 10 is 41. Then after that, we'll say login. We'll be logged in into the portal. This is the portal. This is the mother portal. To file the NA returns, you'll come to returns. Then you come to file NA returns. Once you come to file NA returns, you will come here and select resident individual. Tax obligation is income tax resident individual. Then you will press next. The second thing, you will come here in the income tax resident individual nil e-returns form. You will come here and fill the dates. For today being June 2020, you will be filing tax from last year, which is January 1st, 2020 to December 31st, 2020 will be filed on 2020. You always file tax for the previous year, since they assume that you've been doing business the former year, and now it's the time that you're filing returns. But for this situation, you have no returns, but you still need to be legit into the system. They still need to acknowledge that you have not been doing any business, and maybe you are a student, or you've not been earning any income. So in generating the return period, you normally place the calendar. You put you put the dates. You'll be able to click the date here and fill it. Once you fill it here, when you submit, you will have submitted the KRA returns. Secondly, we were to generate iTax compliance certificate. You will come here to certificate, apply for tax compliance certificate. We will apply for one. Once we press apply for one, it will take us to a step. Yeah, it is taking time to load. Yeah, once I know it's done with loading, it will tell us come here, please be informed that you are entitled for a tax compliance certificate without any workflow. Please click OK to continue. So once we click continue, we'll get the iTax compliance certificate in our portal. These are our pin. These are pin of the taxpayer. This is a pin, and this is the name of the taxpayer. As we can see it here. So the reason for application, we will say maybe you are applying for a government job. You are applying for a government job. Maybe you need to applying for a government job, and we'll be able to submit. Once we submit, we'll see auto approval for tax compliance certificate has been submitted successfully. Approval receipt for iTax certificate generated successful. Acknowledge number, this is acknowledge number, and we'll click here to download the iTax KRA compliance certificate. Once we place here, we'll be able to download the compliance certificate. So here it is, tax compliance certificate. This confirms that this person confirms that this person under personal identification number has filled the tax returns by law. This certificate will be valid for 12 months up to 29th June 2021. So welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. I was taking you step by step how to generate tax compliance certificate after filing your nail returns. Thank you, and thank you.